Modifying the grid in Snap. So here I have created a sketch, all right, just has a rectangle on it. Come down here into on the bottom of the screen, and I can set down here my grid and snaps. If I hit the down arrow here, I can come over here to my grid settings, and by default it is set to adaptive. So adaptive means that it is going to adjust the size of the grid as we zoom in and out. If I go to fixed, I can set my major grid spacings. These will be the thicker lines, and right now I'm using inches. And I have my minor subdivisions. So if I have 5 minor subdivisions for every 5 inches, each minor subdivision would be at 1 inch. These references display the reference number along the X and Y axes. So I can set it as fixed if I like. I can come down here and I can say I want to snap to the grid. That allows me then to snap right onto those grid lines. Now, down here I have incremental move, and I can have incremental moves on, and I can set the increments. If I come down here and I go to fixed, I can set my incremental move to be any size I want here. So I have it set at 1/2 inch for the linear increments. So I could have that set on if I like. So we only generally have this grid on when we're working on something that is, drawn to a grid pattern. We don't always need it on. So you can turn the snap to the grid off, and I could actually go to adaptive if I like, and run it that way. So if you need to set your snap in your grid, you certainly can down here at the bottom of our screen, right down here in our display settings.